Good morning, Maui. View of our solar eclipse. Alright, looking at our surface analysis, you'll see that we still have these troughs right here coming up on us. We got Hurricane Kenneth around the corner, and our stationary 1025 high pressure giving us the winds. When we look at our wind map, you'll see it looks pretty normal. We can't quite see all that low pressure giving us that disturbance. We just see this high pressure here and this hurricane here feeding us some nice easterly winds. Hopefully it'll start feeding us some nice easterly wind swell. Checking out our big island sounding, you'll see that the inversions are straight up and squiggly and go all the way up to the thousands and thousands of feet. So we should be getting thunderstorms and giant cumies like we did yesterday. Quite doesn't look quite as entertaining, but it still looks like a nice diabatic line. Small inversion around 8,000 feet, and then all the way up to forever. So maybe today's the day it'll fly off the crater and get high and some giant cumies. Probably not. When we look at our local humidity from University of Hawaii, you'll see that we are all up in some wet stuff. There's moisture coming from all around. Getting our more detailed view, you can see some thunder cells developing right off of our coast right here, and again, just kind of a wet looking day. And our local Doppler is just showing Dagobah doing a little catching and just east trades pushing the showers, and I think the convection is going to win again, and we'll have some macro cumies and some rain. Checking out the big blue, we got our hurricane and our disturbance. Wind gurus again pretty accurate on their forecasts of high, mid, low clouds and precipitation with the moderate east wind all day. Here's what I'm looking for: east swell. The tides are going to be low around 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock wakeboard session like yesterday, then 2 o'clock foil session like yesterday for high tide. High tide most of the day. It does look like there's some lasting south swell. I had a couple bad reports yesterday, so I didn't bring my surfboard. I didn't like the L for flying, so I just came home and went to bed, I guess. East swell starting to show a little, 5.68 seconds. Still small, but bigger than it's been. And with all this rain and runoff, I don't get bit by a shark, so I don't know. And of course, a view of our sun, which everyone was all stoked about yesterday, but I like to be stoked about it every day. We'll see this active region that was a little partial eclipse popping through, and then this new incoming region is pretty complex with some nice popping. Plans today: read book, lay in the rain, take it easy. I don't know. Alright guys, have a good day. Bye.